Today we're going to walk you through replacing the canister in your AprilAire Steam Humidifier. Before we begin, we want to remind you that installation by an HVAC professional is always recommended. Please call your installing contractor or visit AprilAire.com to find a trusted professional near you. In order to maintain peak performance, you should replace the canister in your steam humidifier once a year or before the start of any cold weather season. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn the unit off, which is going to force it to drain. When you push the off button, you'll hear the solenoid valve open, putting cold water down the drain. Then the drain valve will open and let the water run out of the canister. Wait 4 minutes to make sure that all the water is out of the unit. After that 4 minutes, the green LED will stop flashing and both valves will shut. Next, cut the power to the unit by turning off the unit at the breaker. Now, you can take the cover off the steam humidifier, loosen the screw at the bottom, and slide the cover off. On top of the canister, there are 2 electrode wires with black connectors and a yellow high water pin with a red connector. Pull those off. There's no polarity, so the electrode wires can be reattached to either of their corresponding pins. An important note, the electrode wires must be replaced every 3 years by either you or a qualified HVAC contractor. Check to make sure that they are not damaged or loose. One more important note. Any electrode wires that have a smooth jacket or D-shaped connector are over 3 years old and need to be replaced. For all other humidifiers, refer to its installation date or the last known date the wires were replaced. When you install a new canister, there will be an insert at the top that points this out. Discard that before installing. Loosen the hose clamp at the top of the canister and slide the steam hose off. With everything disconnected, you can now remove and discard the canister. Inspect drain assembly and remove any debris. If necessary, consult the drain valve cleaning procedure in the installation and maintenance manual. Before installing a new canister, use a small screwdriver to remove the O-ring currently in the unit and replace it with the one that came with your new canister. Dampen the O-ring with water, then push it down until it's seated into the groove inside the valve. Now, make sure that strainer is inserted at the bottom of the new canister and place the canister in the receptacle where you just placed that O-ring. Make sure that the label is facing out. Slip the steam hose over the top of the canister and tighten the hose clamp. Reattach the high water pin to the front pin and then reattach the 2 electrode wires. Again, it doesn't matter which one goes where, just attach them and push them all the way down so that they're nice and secure. Put the cover back on. Turn the power back on at the breaker. Turn the humidifier on and let it fill. After it's done filling, make sure there is no water coming out of the bottom of the unit and that the drain line is not blocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more information on AprilAire Steam Humidifiers and other products, visit AprilAire.com.